Today we have our homework 5. Firstly, before we talk, we need to change our parameter from the millimeter to the IPS because our sketch parameter all in the inch. So I need to know from where I will begin drawing my sketch. So I'll begin by this line is equal to 5 inch, and the second line is equal to 8 inch, and the third one is equal to 5 inch also. So okay, now I'll choose the front plane and draw the first one. As we said, is equal to 5 if we remember. This 5 inch, and the second one is equal to 8 inch, and the third one is equal to, before I draw the third one, I need to see the angle between these two. So let me check. That's equal to 135 degree. 135 degree. That's good. Now I'll draw the third one, which is equal to 5. This 5 inch. After that, I'll go also to the smart dimension and make sure from my angle 135. After I draw that, I need to go to the offset and select this line to make another one parallel to it. So after that, I'll close the object because I need to convert it from the 2D to the 3D. Okay, now I'll convert. So I'll go to the extruded boss, and I need to see its parameter is equal to 5, as we see. From the extruded boss, I'll choose 5 units, and that's okay, that's good. Maybe the parameter is not obvious in this video, but you can check it from the screen record because I start to record both at the same time. So after that, I'll draw this circle. So I'll begin with this circle. I need to choose the plane, and before I draw the circle, I need to select the center line from this point to this point. Then I'll go to the circle and draw the first one and the second one inside the first circle. The parameter of the first circle is equal to 3.89 phi, and the other one is 3.49 phi. So I'll go to the smart dimension and choose the first one is equal to, as we said, 3.89 in phi, and the second one is equal to 3.49. Let me check. 4949, yes, that's 49. Okay. So after that, I need to go also to the extruded boss to draw the circle. That's equal to 1. I remember is equal to 1. Yes, that's equal to 1. So this is 1 unit, and okay. After that, in our sketch, we want to open this circle. So I will go to the extruded cut and select the plane, then go to the circle and draw it inside our circle. That's okay, because we need to make it cut. I'll select from the both direction, and now we have this. So after that, we have a small circles this at the both direction. So If I draw the circle from this point of view, our direction will be wrong, because when we choose the extruded boss or cut extruded, our orientation will be wrong. That will go to the another plane. So I need to select the first plane that I will work for, and I'll choose from the feature reference geometry and plane and select this plane. So after I select this plane, I need to go to the sketch and draw the center lines. Okay, just let me now to the center lines. Okay, this is the first center line, and the other one from this point to the end of the circle. So after I draw that, I need to draw the small circle which the radius is equal to 0.25. That means phi is equal to 0.5. So now I'll go to the feature and extruded cut, select this and choose from the blind to the through all the plane. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now we can see that the cut go exactly through the both directions. So after I draw the small circles, I need to, now I'll begin with the circles. So I go to this part, and firstly also I need to choose the center line. This is the center line we choose. Then I'll go to the tools and to the sketch tools, to the segments. So if we look at our sketch, that we can see from this point to this point that's equal to 2, because from the center of the first circle to the second circle is equal to 4 degrees. So 2 degrees at the upper part and 2 degrees at the lower part. Now, okay, I go to the segments as we said, and I'll choose 3 segments for this center line that I draw, and then I'll draw another center line from the middle segments. Okay, and another one from this point. That's the first, that's the second, and the third. So now I'll go to the smart dimension to see its dimension. As we said, the middle part is equal to 4, so, and the sole is equal to 8, and so the upper part will be equal to 2 and the lower part equal to 2 also. So that's the upper part is equal to 2, the middle is equal to 4, and the lower part is equal to 2. That means our draw is right. Now I'll draw this circle here and the second circle here at the point of the center lines. Let me check the dimensions of the circle. The dimensions of the circle is equal to 1.2. Its phi is equal to 1.2. This is the first one, equal to 1.2. Okay. The second one, phi is equal to 1.2. That's good. Now we need to choose the mirror, because we need this circle at the opposite part, at the opposite side. So I'll go to the mirror, Here at the first section, I will choose the circle that I need to be at the other side, and the mirror about, I'll choose the center line at the middle, because I need to change my circle from this side to other side, and the middle part is the orientation. So I draw this. After that, I go to the extruded boss, and as we said, through all to go at the both directions, and that's okay. Before that, let me check something to make it clear. From this point to this point should be is equal to 4. That's 4. And from this point to this point, that's 2.5. If we check at our sketch, from this point to this point is equal to 4. From this point to this point is equal to 2.5. That means our draw is right. So now I'll go to the extruded boss as we said, and I'll choose from blank to through all. That's okay. Okay, sorry for that mistake. Extruded boss, and through all the directions. I need to check it from the other side. Okay. Sorry for that. I should go to the extruded cut. So now through all the plane, and yes, now I can see the holes at the circle. That's good. Now the final part is to draw this object. So now I need to see from the opposite side. Before that, I need to select the plane. Okay, that's good. Now let me change from the orientation that I need from this orientation. That's good. Now firstly, I'll draw another center line from this point intersected to the other point. So after that, I'll draw a rectangular at the center of the center line. I'll open it here. Let me check its dimension. Okay. Look, the dimension of all the surface is equal to 5, and from this point to this point it's equal to 2. So we will get from the opposite point is equal to 3. Now, to the smart dimension, I'll choose from this point to this point is equal to 2, and from this to this should be equal to 3. That's 3. That's good. Now, after that, I will go to the extruded boss again, and this is 25 degree. Okay, that's good. Now we have this shape. Just we need to draw another hole in this object. So now what would I do? I should go to the plane and choose my plane. This is the front plane. I'll show it and go at this side. That's good. Now to the sketch to draw another center line. Just let me make it bigger. That's good. To the center line. I'll draw from this point to this point. That's good. Now I'll choose the surface to draw. This is center line, and this is okay. Now another center line from the center to the top. So now I'll draw my circle. Its radius is equal to 0.25. That's good. Now I'll go to the feature and to the extruded cut. Now make it to both directions, and that's good. Just let me check this point. Okay, the both directions. I need from this and this, and okay, look, we have the hole in the two directions, and that's exactly what our sketch shows. From both directions we have a hole. So now we can see that our draw, just let me hide this plane. Okay, now we can see that our draw is complete and all the dimensions is right. As we said, maybe it's not obvious in this video, but you can check it from the screen record. And thanks for watching.